The secret is out. Glowforge has launched a new printer, the Glowforge Aura. Hi, and welcome back to my craft room. My name is Kelsey. I also call myself Dinosaur Mama, and today we are going over everything that is the Glowforge Aura. I am so grateful to be a part of the Glowforge Aura launch team and to be a Glowforge partner. This machine has been so much fun to learn and is so user-friendly, it blows my mind. All right, enough with the introductions. Let's go check out this machine. The Glowforge Aura is 22 by 20 and a half by only 5 inches high and weighs 19 pounds. This machine is super powerful. On top, in the back, once you lift the lid, you will see a little camera. This will read your QR codes on your Proofgrade materials, as well as show you a picture of your canvas on the Glowforge platform. Here in the back, we have our laser, and at the bottom, we have a removable grate. Off to the side, we have these panels that open, which means that there's one on each side, which means that you have an infinite amount of length to cut. And if you leave those closed, you have a 12 by 12 cutting surface. But if you have those both open on the side, that means you can cut 12 inches high and on forever. Off to the side, I do have the personal air filter, which will trap 99.9% of any particles from your aura while you're cutting. This machine is small but mighty. I want to jump right over into the Proofgrade materials. As a Glowforge partner, they sent me a few things to test out, and these Proofgrade materials are amazing. Each one comes with its own QR code so that when you place it into your Glowforge Aura, your camera reads that QR code and automatically picks up any of the settings that you need. So everything from leather, hardwood, basswood, even iron-on vinyl, which is super, super cool. These machines can truly cut a variety of different materials. I'm most excited to try out all of the different acrylics that they sent me, and the Glowforge Aura is capable of cutting any opaque or colored acrylics. So to use your Proofgrade materials, all you are going to do is slide it right in and close your lid. Instantly, your camera is going to read that QR code and send it over to your Glowforge app, which is an online app. Not only that, but that camera includes something called Aura Vision. And what this does is it actually picks up a picture of the canvas. So when you upload any of your images or your SVG files, it's going to be able to show you where to place that on your canvas for perfect cutting. That way there aren't any miscuts or things hanging over the edge of your materials. Now, jumping back here for a second, I want to talk about the setup of the machine. When I say that I was unboxing and cutting within about 20 minutes of setup, it is that easy. You unbox everything, place your laser onto the magnetic block, and then you attach your air filter, download the app to set up your Wi-Fi, and then everything is ready to go. So all you have to do once you have it out of the box is basically attach your laser on, plug it in, attach your air filter, and then set up your Wi-Fi to start cutting. And I need to mention that the air filter is going to automatically pair to your aura. So there's no thinking about this at all. If you have the premium subscription to Glowforge, then you are all set and ready to start cutting immediately. They have so many projects to choose from, and I will show you what the screen looks like when you go to their app. We are on the Glowforge app. It is an online app, so there's no downloading or space being taken up on your computer. And at least for a Mac, there is no app that I have downloaded. So here is the main interface that you'd be looking at. So we have projects here that are free. It says free with premium, and you can make these instantly. So I have some here that I downloaded, and then I also have ones that I uploaded. And I had to learn this new software. So when you're uploading your different SVGs, you do have to have it kind of laid out different than you would on other apps. So I was learning, it was a learning curve, but I have to say I figured it out within like the first 2 minutes. So it wasn't like I was sitting here getting frustrated. It was very, very easy to figure out. But if you go off to the side, there are a ton of different things to pick from, anywhere from jewelry to 3D projects, and you just click on them. So here, if I wanted to make these teacher earrings, for example, get design, and it's going to send it back to my designs. I would click on it, and here it is ready to go. And you can already see the image of my aura on the screen. Now, I don't have any material in, so let me go and pop that in right now. So I'm giving my aura a second to go ahead and scan. You see it scanning up in the corner here, and it's going to scan the QR code and then take a picture of my plane. So it's going to actually show me exactly what is inside of my machine. So now you can go and you can move around these objects if it wasn't placed properly onto your plane, onto your material. And then up here, you'll also see that it already scanned the QR code. It knows that it's light plywood. So it already knows from the Proofgrade material with the QR code all the settings for this cut. So here you'll see it's going to engrave, it's going to score, it's going to cut, and then it's going to cut out the actual earring. So amazing, so cool. I mean, there's literally like almost no thinking to it. I just placed it in and it's ready to go. Plus, when you're on here, the amount of projects that they have available for you, it really is so cool. I mean, you can look at these little things, a cafe book nook. How, like, it's so fun. A bird feeder? I actually might need to buy that one. That one's they're just so cool. So I highly suggest looking into premium. The subscription is totally worth it. This machine is just mind blowing. Like I can't believe my words are so caught up because I can't believe how user-friendly it is. As someone who hasn't done a ton of cutting with their laser, because I do have a laser, this one, the user-friendliness, is that a word? Is just so beyond. The fact that I can just upload an image and it scans the material for me is so cool. You can also create a new design here with create a blank design, upload a file, or even trace a design, draw it onto your material using a camera. I mean, so cool. The other thing that I want to show you is if I went to new design and create blank design, they also have this new thing called magic canvas. So if I wanted to put cute chickens grazing in a field, make magic, it's going to no art style, whatever it says. It's making magic, and look, and now I can use this image and it's uploading my design, processing my design, and now it's going to engrave it onto the piece of wood. So I would have this cute art project that I literally just typed something in and AI made it for us. So they also have magic canvas. So you have the Aura Vision to see your canvas, you have your QR codes on your Proofgrade materials, and you have magic canvas in the premium subscription. I am so blown away by this machine and by Glowforge's app. I wanted to show you a little preview of what I ended up making as my first Glowforge Aura project. This is a sign for my chicken coop, and the machine made it so easy to make something so beautiful. It cut out each piece of wood using that QR code. I was able to score the wood to show me exactly where to place all the chickens and even the Jurassic Park writing, and it engraved their names onto it so easily. I really, really love the way that this project turned out, and I truly cannot wait to show you all the steps, which I will do in a future video. If you have been debating getting a laser, the Glowforge Aura is going to be the perfect in-between machine. Thanks for coming along as we went over everything Glowforge Aura. If you are interested in purchasing your own Glowforge Aura, you can find the links below to shop at Joann's and at Michael's. If you learned some knowledge today about the Glowforge Aura and you like my videos and love crafting, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and please subscribe for future Glowforge videos. Stay crafty!